can start talking, question answer. Anybody want to ask any question?
How do we get strength to face the situations in life? How do we get inner strength?
How to get the inner strength to face the life? This question for everybody, because everybody has this question. Answer is also very simple, very short also. Already answer in question. How to get inner strength? Go inner. Go inside and then strength comes. How to go inside? What is inside? Mostly your life, all the time looking out. Your eyes open to outside, your ear listen out, your nose smell out, your mouth talking about out. So all your sensation going outside. And through this sensation your energy going out. And if your energy go out all the time out, then sure stress come, tension will happen, misery come, because outgoing energy is become the darkness. When your energy go out, thinking about world, looking about world, doing about world, this become unconscious. This become darkness. Looks like it is good. Looks like it is my I enjoy. But when your energy go out and you not aware about inside, same moment, only unconscious, only unaware, totally you go out, then this energy become dark and darkness coming in. You collect the darkness, you make the darkness, and if you have darkness, then sure you have tension, sadness, no joy, no love, no beauty. So only love, beauty, joy, inner power, inner strength coming when you looking inside. So whatever you do in your life, go for it, go with it, do it. Only one thing you can add in your life, in your daily routine. Just 1 hour, 2 hours every day, you give time to yourself. Look you, this 1 hour, this 2 hours, you not doing, not talking, not looking anybody, only yourself. So when you give time to yourself, not doing anything, just sitting, looking inside, or any technique of meditation you do, then when you're not doing anything, not looking outside, and energy moving in, so your energy clear your darkness, cleaning, cleaning your unconscious, you become little more conscious. You becoming conscious start. When you become conscious, then light come. When light come, then love happened. Then divine you feeling, then become joyful, become beautiful. Very only 1 hour every day. Not much. 24 hours you have 1 hour only give. And this hour you say, this hour only for myself. Okay, 22 hours, 23 hours, every day you think about your partner, your family, your business, your work, your life, what to do, what not to do. But only 1 hour give rest. This 1 hour you say, I don't want to think anything. As every day you giving rest to your body. You go in sleep, 6 hours, 7 hours, 8 hours, every day you sleeping. And if you not sleep, then next morning you cannot feel good, not fresh, not alive. Even in sleep, if you could not sleep good, not very relaxed, not fully sleep, sometime half sleep, half not sleep, sometime few hours not sleep, few hours only sleep. And if you could not sleep good, then morning you get up, not feel very fresh, not very joyful, not very fresh, not full of energy. Look like sleepy sleep. You want a little more sleep, but you have to wake up to work, to go things. So same you giving rest to your body, same you have to give rest to your mind. Need. Otherwise, if 24 hours mind is running, whole day running, in night also dreams and dreams, mind is running, then no wonder if you have stress, if you have tension, if you are disturbed, it will happen. Sure will happen. Mind also like a machine. Every machine needs rest. If you have any machine in your home, just you have, example, you have car, and if 24 hours your car is running, no break, no stop, what can happen? Just I say an example, sometime you have weekend, Saturday, Sunday, you came from office Friday, park your car, and then you forget to stop it. And you are in a hurry to go in home, go in flat, you went. Then next day is Saturday, holiday, you not came out from home. Again next day Sunday, also not came in home, out from home. So 3 night, 3 days continuous car is running. Then what can happen? Somebody come and say your car is blast, your engine is blast, car is finished. Not even blast, some big problem will be. So every machine need to stop after some time. But with mind we not doing this thing. We not giving rest to mind. Mind running, thinking, all the time thinking. 24 hours thinking. Mind also is machine. He need also rest. He need also gap. He need to be quiet. But if you run, wonder if you not have brain hemorrhage. Which wonder? How you're running your mind, but mind has to be blast. So how to give rest to mind? You need every day 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, how much you can give time to make relax your mind, to go in meditation. Just close your eyes, look your mind, look your feelings, look your negative energy, positive energy, something always there. When you look inside, something always there. Our feelings, our mind, good, bad, high, low, ugly, beautiful, always something is there. This is mind. Only you have to be watched. You have to look it. When you looking slowly, slowly, mind energy getting less. He not get power. He not get energy. Then he going quiet. After takes time. It is not just you sit, close eyes and he will be quiet. No. As you running him, running, he need also time to be quiet. It is not just you sit and do meditation and he will be finished. Takes hours, takes days, takes month, takes years. Then you get sometimes some moments, quiet moment, some silence moment coming. Because whole life you running, and how can we stop in one moment? No possible. If you run something, takes time to stop him. Because he become habitual. He cannot be without think. He cannot be without thoughts. Mind means just thoughts, thoughts, thoughts. Thinking is mind. So mind need also rest. And if your mind is rest, you know how to give rest him, how to be relaxed, how to be silent. When you silent, when your mind is quiet, then one thing happen in you. Your energy, you have energy. Your energy is lifting up start. As mind is quiet, energy lift. And this lifting energy becomes joy. When your energy is lift, going up, you feel joyful, you feel loveful, you feel relaxed. When energy going down, always depression, disturbance, negative mood, bad mood. So just make, when you are thinking, all the time your energy is leaking from you, going out from you. When you become quiet, you gaining energy. Your energy is coming back. You build energy. So energy has to build. When energy is building, as your mind is quiet, your energy goes up start. And this up and going energy upwards makes you quiet, makes you relax. This is meditation. But you cannot do direct, straight, how to be quiet. So need some techniques. Many techniques of meditation. You do, and then which technique you like. Every day you practice in your home, wherever you are. If you want to be healthy, you want to be positive, you want to be loving, everybody want love. Nobody is here who don't want love. I ask you, anybody who don't want love, please put hand. Who don't want to be joyful, put hand. Everybody want joyful. Because this is your nature. Everybody want love. Because it is your nature. When you coming in love, coming in joy, you coming to your being, coming to yourself. You feeling yourself start. Now your energy with you. Otherwise always energy out, others. And how, what is this life if all the time thinking about others? When you think about you, when you look about you, only out, others, whole life. You look, you never think about you. You always thinking about others, think about relations, think about power, think about business, think about money. work. About you, what you never think. Because about self, no any thoughts. About self, when you know thoughts, then you feel self. Then you come back to yourself. When you know thoughts, when you know mind, then automatically you feeling start you. Then you feel you. You coming back to you. In Hindi has one song, one line I just coming in me. देश विदेश बहुत दिन भटका अपने घर नहीं आया. He's saying I wandering, traveling here, there, this country, that country, foreign, there, here, whole life traveling. Never come back to my home. Never come back to myself. प्रभु जी मैं तो आप ही आप बुलाया. Hey existence, I forget myself by myself. With me. Nobody said to you, forget. Whole existence, whole nature, only one work has. Remember you. Remember you. If you coming to master, if you look to nature, if you can listen the nature, nature everyone, nature everywhere saying, remember. Remember you. And then one question more coming, why we are here? Why I came in this world? Why I came in this earth? For what? So I said two things. For two reasons you came here. Existence sent you here, giving you life, 60 years, 70, 80 years. And then you have to go, you have to be finished, you have to go back. So he sent you, he said go, I make very beautiful planet, very beautiful things, trees, birds, animals, sun, moon, pupil, and many things. Go and enjoy. Enjoy my planet. He sent you to traveling here. Like now you came here. Maybe some people saw first time in Goa, first time in India, then Goa. Heard about Goa, very beautiful, everybody want. Whole world knows about India and then Goa also. Then you come, enjoying start. Sometimes you like, sometimes very much like, sometimes not like also. Depend on your mood. It is not Goa is different or India is different. You are different. If your mood is good, everything beautiful. Your mood no good, good to good thing, worst, no meaning. You know this. Every day you wake up morning, go to beach. Sometimes beach looks very wonderful, wow, amazing. And sometimes okay. And sometimes even you don't want to go, don't want to look. Beach is same, ocean is same, place is same. Only you are different. When you are in good mood, everything looks beautiful. And I say you, if you are beautiful, if you are very good, trees looks more green, more shining, more green. Look to people, everybody look very shining, very beautiful. All nature looks nice because you are nice, because you are beautiful. When you are not good, same tree, same wife, same lover, same husband, don't want to see. When you are good, gorgeous. She is most beautiful, very gorgeous. Want to be with her, want to be with him. When you are not good, same woman, same man, very irritate, don't like, want to look. don't want to be near, even want to run away. So you different. When you are okay, everything okay. When you are not okay, everything wrong, everything bad. And meditation teach you how you can be good, how you can be okay, how you cannot be okay. Only when your energy is lifting up, then everything is okay. Everything better, good. Everything best. No any problem. When your energy is lifting, your mind is not there much. No much mind. When mind is much there, everything is no enjoy. And existence send you here to enjoy your life. Just few years. You don't know how many years you have. You have 60, or you have 30, or you have 40, or you have 80, or you have 100. Don't know. You don't know. Nobody knows when you will finish. So when finish coming, before, enjoy. Enjoy every moment. You came here to enjoy only one thing. Existence and go and enjoy. Don't be serious. You not has to make here anything. Okay, whatever you want to make. You want to make property. You want to make relationship. You want to make power. Anything whatever you want to make and you making. One day it will be finished. No anything can stay. So you came here, enjoy. I'm not saying don't be relation. Don't be in work. Don't make property. Make house. You need house. Make money. You need the car. Car is good. Take you here to there. Very good. If you go by walk, takes 1 hour. Car take 5 minutes. Very good. But this all is not forever. Just for your facilities. Anybody meet you, enjoy. Few years, 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, whole life. Okay. How long? Enjoy. When time coming, bye bye. Finish. He go here, you go here. Your karma finish with each other. You go there, he go there. So just remember, you came here to travel. This world is as you came here in Goa. You came in Goa just traveling. 1 week, somebody 2 weeks, somebody 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. So just you came for traveling and travel. Now you came here traveling. Goa, very good. You say, nice place, I like it. I want to come here every time. I want to be here. But you cannot be because you have to go back for your work, for your business. That's right. If you be here forever, Goa will be finished for you. No enjoy. You know your home. In house you not enjoy much. I enjoy here. You go in your family, you go in your home, and you go in your office, not enjoy. Because here you not have any work. You are relaxed. And if you know in work, be relaxed, then you will enjoy wherever you are. You enjoy your home, you enjoy your office, sitting in your office like a temple, like a most beautiful place. If you enjoy yourself. If you can't enjoy yourself, even you sitting in satsang also not good. No feeling anything. So wherever you enjoy yourself, everything is good. who are around you, what work around you, what is there, you will be okay. Perfect. You living in palace or you living in hut, if you are okay, everything okay. So he send you here to enjoy. I make very beautiful planet. Go and travel. Enjoy it. Few hours I gave you. Go and enjoy. And when you enjoy the life, when you enjoy everything, whatever around you, you know how to enjoy the life. Then second thing will happen. Suddenly you remembering start yourself. Then is coming who I am, where from I am. Okay, I am body, but inside everybody knows one day I have to leave the body. So I am not the body. Mind also is false, coming and going. But you are beyond body and mind. Something there. What is that? When you enjoy life, you remembering start. Or you remembering start yourself, then you will enjoy life. Then you enjoy everything. Whatever around you. Whoever. Anybody coming, very good. You are alone in your home, very good. If you know, enjoy yourself, then whenever you see, whenever I have time for me, be alone 1 hour, 2 hours, few hours, and go and enjoy and start. When you enjoy, start yourself. Then you looking whenever I have time. Because really, when you enjoy yourself, no any joy more than yourself. No any. Because other all joy coming, because you feel joy, they coming because coming from your side, your inside. You are inside very good, then everything is okay. If you are not good, best to best thing, no matter. No giving you any. So first thing, make yourself beautiful, relaxed, loving, then life is good. Then everything is good. Then everything perfect. If you not perfect, if you are not good, you cannot enjoy anything. You can't enjoy your partner, you can't enjoy your family, you can't enjoy your home, work, nothing you will enjoy if you not joy. So first thing, make yourself joyful. Make yourself is right, perfect. You are perfect, life is perfect. And you coming to here, coming to satsang, I have only one thing to say you, how you can enjoy your life, how you can be joyful. As you become joyful, suddenly your remembering start. You will remember anyhow. Then you cannot be without remembering. And then one day remembrance come. Which day remembrance come? Then no any darkness. As much as you remember yourself, as less darkness. More light. When your energy looking you, be aware about yourself, then darkness not come. Darkness become transformed, become light. This darkness, this negativity, everybody has negativity. Everybody has anger, jealousy, attachment, possessive, ego. Everybody has. Nobody without it. No one. Maybe if you go to look, maybe within finger you can get. 5 people, 10 people. Very rare Buddha you get. Who is beyond it. Beyond all of this. Only very rare. Very difficult to find them. So everybody in this. It's okay. You have anger, you have ego, you have jealousy, you have disturbance. Okay, no problem. You have mind, no problem. Only you have to go how to go out of it. How to go beyond of it. Ego has how to go beyond ego. How to go over from anger, away from jealousy. Finish the jealousy, finish the anger. When your anger, jealousy finish, this anger become love, this jealousy become friendship, everything will be good, will be right. Only you have to transform. When you look inside, when you look your darkness, when you look your negativity, this negativity will be transformed. Only looking, only watching. When you look inside, their anger, their jealousy, their attachment, their possessiveness, their disturbance, everything is there. And as you look, it is transformed. And when your anger become love, this you want. Jealousy became giving, sharing, friendly. Everybody wants. Then everything is okay. Everything is right. One day it will happen. You will want to go to look how much I have anger, where is my anger? You will not find it. Anger is finished. All anger is finished. All anger become the love. When energy go down, become anger, possessiveness, jealousy. When energy go up, same energy go up, become love, beautiful, joyful, everything perfect, everything right, grateful, thankful, everything is okay. So as you go inside, your inner power, inner strength, inner energy come up, become bigger, become grow. As your inner strength grow, everything, life is no problem. When I say you, life is nothing problem. No any problem life. Then you only say life is very beautiful. Always beautiful. I want to enjoy. I want to come back. Again. When life is not beautiful, why I am here, what I doing here, I want to suicide, I want to finish. Only means you not living properly, perfectly how to live the life. You don't know. Only this thing. Otherwise life is good. Life always good. Remove your mind, finish your ego, no problem. Life is beautiful. But these things, jealousy, possessiveness, attachment, very difficult. Nobody who has this negativity, mind game, and be joyful, no, never. This not meet together. Darkness and light never meet together. When you coming in heart, sometime you comes, you know. Whenever you come in heart, you feel love, full of love, want to give, want to share. Now you have something, you have love, you have light. Now you can share. So just grow your love, go inside, give everyday time 1 2 hours. If you want more, okay. And then life is changing this time. If you want your life should be joyful, loving, relaxed, you need every day 1 hour. Give time to yourself. Just do meditation. Which meditation, which technique you like. Go for it. Go with it. And very soon your life will be changed. No wonder. Beauty is not far. Truth is not very far. Consciousness very near. Only you have to look. Only you have to know how I have to live the life. Automatically it will happen. And when your life is beautiful, joyful, silent, relaxed, suddenly one day, what is this? Whenever he sound this my mobile also sound. Same time. Some problem with it. Maybe with some connection with it. Whenever it sound together, happen. So life is very beautiful. You have to know how I have to live the life. I want to say this. If you ask me, I have to say this thing because according me, no any misery, no any sadness, no any problem. Problem is ego. Problem is mind. Who don't have mind, they always good. Always happy, joyful, blissful. Mind finish, bliss is there. Ego go, existence is here. Look any bird, no mind, but always joyful, playful, nice. When want to screaming, screaming. Want to silent, silent. Want to eat, looking things where to can get food. Want to sleep, just wherever they are sleep. Just find a place. No worried, no tension, no future, no any future. They don't have any future. No any animal has future. Because they don't have mind, they don't have time. They don't know how old they are. 2 years old or 5 years old or 7 years old. They don't know. How much they live more, how many years more? No. But no mind. This moment, perfect. This moment is right. But with mind is happening. Time. Tomorrow, next year, 10 years, planning, do this, do that, making safety, security. They never secure, never think about safety. And secure, very secure. Every animal get the food. No anybody here who not get the food. Everybody get. Everybody sleep. They're not thinking, oh, if I don't have tomorrow money, I don't get the food. They don't think about money. Even if any dog come or cat come looking the food, you take dollar, put them, they looking and go away. Just smell, oh, no any smell. No any food smell, no any nice smell. Just paper. But if man find $100 on the street, three, four friends, man, this is my, they just fighting start, then fight. So mind give you security, future, past, safety, otherwise, and then you lose the life. Yet then you not enjoy the life. Then you not enjoy this moment because you never here. When you not present, not enjoy. All joy coming whenever you are present. Where you are present, whenever you are present, joy, bliss. Whatever you do, no matter. You go do big work, you do small work, you do anything, you not doing anything. But whenever you are present, enjoy. Very joyful. So joy means come back in this moment. Come back to present moment. How I can come back in this moment? Because joy coming from present moment. If you living start life joyful, present, life will be joyful. No problem. Whatever happen, and then very much trust come. Very trust come to existence. However you want, whatever you want, I be like that. Then very trust. But when you coming in mind, no trust. Mind don't know the trust. Trust and mind opposite. Mind say, oh, I have to secure my life. I have to look what will happen when I will be old, how I can survive. Many worried, many problems coming. Without reason, mind making problem. Mind is this. If you don't have problem, you are very good. He make you misery, make you disturbed. And slowly, when you going in mind, then even you don't have problem, you create the problem. Without reason, create. Because without it, you feel, oh, nothing. I don't have anything. If no any problem, no life. Cannot do anything. What to do? Something has to think. Then finish. Then you create. Without reason, create. If you are angry, just suppose you are angry, full of anger, full of this boiling. Without reason, you want to fight with anybody. Without reason, fight with me. Because you have full of this energy. Going on a street, without reason, just give hit to somebody, touch the somebody, say something to make he has to fight with you. Because you are full. When you are loving, no anger, even anybody say you, okay, no problem. Be quiet. Even anybody give abuse even, okay. You have nothing coming in you. You don't have, even you feel compassion. Oh, he is boiling already. What do I say him? Make him more boil. He already boiling. He already burning. Feel compassion. Feel love. And if your love, your compassion going much, very much, full of compassion, even then anybody killing you, cutting you, say, okay, whatever has to happen will happen. Your thy will be full. Hey existence, how you want, who I am, to say anything, whatever is happening. This is peak of compassion, peak of love. So meditation makes you asking how I get the inner strength, go inside, automatic inner strength come. Inner strength come, your inner eyes open, you know what to do, what not to do. How much sleep, how much eating, how much talking, everything you will know. Because your inner eye, your third eye is open. Third eye is inner eye. As you go inside, your inner eye getting the food, getting the energy, as energy coming to inner eye is open. And that is real strength, that is real power, and this strength will say you life makes everything okay. Then no any problem. Only you have to make more your inner strength. Go inside, inner will be developed. Go outside, outside will be developed. Where is your energy? Where you look? You looking in world, your world is developed. You looking inside, your conscious is developed. And if world is developed, life is no beautiful. If inner is developed, life everything is beautiful. Everything will be beautiful, whatever, no matter, whatever you have, then will be okay. Okay. More question any? Yes.
You said about 100 techniques, it's like keys. And after you said when proper keys have, it's not always like open lock. And after some you said it should be some preparation to prepare yourself. Can you explain more details? What's the process of this preparation? How it's happening?
No, this all meditation is preparation. Every meditation, when you going in this way, going inner way, make you prepare. Prepare to open your door, open your lock. Many keys you have, this technique, that technique, so many techniques of meditation. Technique means key to open your lock. And one technique you have real key. And when you coming near, very close to open, that moment you get your real key. And just you put and door lock is click open. Otherwise, if you are wrong key, you putting in wrong key even many times, not going in lock, not fit. Or key is big, or hole is small, or some problem. Key not going. Sometimes some key go, but no turn, no fit. It means wrong key. Which day you get real key, right key? Quick, within second, within moment, lock will open. But real key only you get when you are ready, when you are prepared, when you are near, when you are just on the border. Finish, jump, finish to die, finish to finish. When you are ready to finish, then you get. Yesterday before last satsang I said also, sometimes happen you get real key even. You get real key, real technique in your hand. And this is your technique. This is your key. And you putting. Even you put your real key in lock, but you don't know how to turn. Then not happen. It means that moment now you not ready yet. You not prepared yet. And this meditation, this inner journey makes only one thing, to make you prepare, make you right, make you ready. Which day you are ready, door will open. Lock is open. Open the lock, door, go there. Go to that side. It will happen. So this is no need to hurry also. Do meditation. Search. Be aware. Whenever happen, happen. This is not in your hand. You cannot make it. Nothing in hand. Only you can try. This key, this thing, that thing. Which day come, right moment come, it will happen. But go on. Only one thing, go on, go on, go on. Don't do like run away. Many times happen, I don't get, it will not happen. I try this, so many years trying, nothing is happening. Then fed up, hopeless, and then you many times run away, go back, then you return, reverse, but go on. Therefore, master importance of master only this. When you have time coming, I don't get, I cannot get, nothing can happen to me. Master is there. Master said, no, no, look me, I'm like you. My lock is open, your lock will be open. But you go on. Don't stop. Master Buddha, he say one word. He like this word in Hindi. He say Charevati, Charevati, Charevati. Charevati means go on, go on, go on. Don't stop. How long you have to go, but go on. One day, finally you will reach. It will come. But don't run back. Don't reverse. Don't return. Go on, go on, go on. Then one day. So,
Mata Samtashi, I feel maybe we are very lucky to have human body in this life. Is it possible that we can lose it in next life and fall back into animal?
no, reverse not happen. As you become once a man, you will never go back to animal. We came from like a rock, then trees, then birds, then animals. Now came to human. And man is fed up. Every man is fed up. Every woman fed up. Fed up in this way because no grow more, no growing. Okay, till man coming. But what next? What can happen more? Coming to mind, coming to ego. Man has ego, man has mind. Animal no have. They no mind. We have mind. We came here. And now you have to go beyond mind. This is only your next possibility. Until you not get, not go no mind, you come back again, man, woman, again. And when you have again, same thing, therefore life is fed up. No enjoy, what is this? Because whatever you doing, you did. Many times you did. This is no anything new you doing. You did everything. Many times you did. Therefore you look, okay, I go do this, maybe I enjoy. Little bit enjoy. Few times little enjoy. After feeling, no, nothing. Want something else. Want something else. Every time looking new and something else. And when you get something else, after some time again, no, I not find, I'm not satisfied. Satisfied only when this wanting, this longing will be finished. This mind will be finished. So man cannot go return the animal. Only one animal can happen. Very rare. Very, very rare. Almost not. One you can be. And that you can be snake. If you love your money too much, you have gold, much gold. Many times, like a rich man, king, they put money in one room, one box. Nobody can go there, make big, big locks. But often, where there is too much money, sometimes one snake is there, black cobra. Often. And when you find any cobra, any snake in money, very big money, understand this is his money. He cannot leave this. He's so much possessive with it. Like his soul, his being. And then existence make him. Nature make him, okay, go and save. Then he's safe. He making safety. Nobody can come. If anybody coming near, he start. No, you cannot touch. This is my money. And he reverse where one thing, one time can happen. But very rare happen. Not all snake is going in money. Very rare happen. So this type can happen, otherwise no reverse. Otherwise you have to come back again, man, woman, man, woman, man, woman. Till you not go beyond man and woman. Till you not go beyond ego, beyond mind. When you go beyond mind, then you not come back. Then free. This is absolute ultimate freedom. No body, no mind. Then what? If I say you know body, you know mind, then what? Then what you are? Anybody can have answer? Can give? No body, no mind. Then what? But don't say like a listen somebody. Because every day almost I say also. No body, no mind. You are consciousness. But it is your experience. Then you say who you are. So then you come back your home. Where from you start, again come back here. You turn a full wheel, looking everything, make everything, whole existence you traveling, everything you know, and come back. Again become nothing. Again become conscious. Come back to your self. So this is next step. And this step is this nothingness, this consciousness is calling sixth step, sixth chakra, third eye. Sixth chakra is universe. Fifth chakra till bliss. After bliss, nothingness. In bliss, you are little. Ego finished, but bliss. Who feel the bliss? Also I am bliss, but still little, very tiny self. After bliss, this self also finish. That is consciousness. That is nothingness. And that is your nature. That is source of life. Your source. Where from you start, you go back in your source. Then journey is fulfilled. No any journey then. Finished. Come back to home. Okay. So tonight we have one celebration. It's sannyasa. evening time 7 o'clock we will be here start. Who need sannyas, they gave name to, already have name to Sevika, and they have to take shower, white cloth, white robe or white cloth, and your name is changed, your mala is changed, and you go start. Old is finished, new start. New journey start. Connected with master, connected to go to existence. Sannyas means I want to go to existence. Now my all longing, choice to melt in existence. I am fed up with this ego. I fed up with this mind game. Is enough. Now I want to rid off. I look this ego, suffering with ego. And now I want to go out, beyond. And then you initiation with master, going in his way, follow him, whatever he say, however he say. I don't know anything, where to go, where is existence. I don't know. I cannot look. I cannot listen. So somebody is need who between you and existence. Master is through him you can feel existence. You can feel truth. You can feel be conscious. Otherwise, no meaning for master to be here. He no have any interest. Only his interest one, how you become conscious. How he is, he want you. If you go to any man who is drinking, he only interested to in you, how you can be drink, how you can be drinker. Who are business, they talk about business. Who are politicians, they talk about politics. Who are loving, they talk about love. Who are conscious, they talk about conscious. If you be with master, close to him, be with him, slowly, slowly, you become light. If you be friendly with the sky, you become a sky. If you friendly with earthy, become earth. With whom you are, you become like that. So satsang importance only this. Importance of satsang, where everybody interested in inner, be more aware, be more loving, be more conscious. And when everybody is there, so slowly, slowly you also going to start. You want or don't want, just you sitting and happening to start. This vibration, this energy field working starting. And this you want. Everybody want. So whenever I find any master, live master, and your heart will say yes, this is my, I want be with it as much as time you have, be. Sitting with him, slowly, slowly, every day, little darkness is cleaned. Every day one corner is clean. Cleaning every day one. Slowly, slowly you're sitting, and all corners of darkness finish. And you become light. So, okay, now we meet in evening. After who are doing taking sannyas, now we have meditation one. Today will be hard dance meditation. Who are taking sannyas, you have to do.